You want to export your markers directly to YouTube chapters without any problem in Davinci Resolve. It's quite easy to do markers. It makes it so much easier because then before I had to watch my video again after I upload it to YouTube and do it manually and put like 00, and that was a very annoying process. Davinci Resolve is really easy, so it's here. You can use this one and press the button and make a marker. I'll just make one for example. Marker, double click it, give a name, done. And now it's it. At 10 minutes, 21 seconds. I'm not gonna use it. Anyway, do not forget for YouTube, you need always the 000, and then you can give others, cameras, red phone, kiosk, what happened. It's really nice. Now, what I find out, you need to go to the YouTube, upload directly to YouTube, make chapters for marker, and upload directly and associate your account to it. The problem, I don't like the options in there. So I use my own YouTube EDL. It does have chapters for markers too. And here, when you upload to YouTube, nothing happens in YouTube. But if you're using VLC, for example, exporting in video, you can see the chapters in introduction, walk in the city, join islands. You see these little dots here. If you go to playback chapters. So if you're sending video to someone and then they just want to see a part of it, you can mark, look at the full, look what happened. So they can go specifically to a part of the video. It makes it so much easier. Now, when you upload this to YouTube, it doesn't do the chapters. That's really annoying. Now, this guy, he got the best solution because I saw some videos and there's like incredible complex things to do. He only has 56 views. He's a programmer. His name is Roobel, German, but don't worry, the site will convert to English. Don't start stressing out. He did this site and he made this tool, EDL content, and now I'm just going to show how you get it. You can go to your normal page, so you can do this any moment. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to the smart pins. Now you're like, what is a smart pin? Very useful tool, but that's not what you're doing today. You can get the timelines right. You go to view, if you don't have this, and you put show smart pin, and this will appear on your media pool. If you cannot see the timelines like I have in here with this lovely icon, you go to Davinci Resolve, preference, go to user, editing, and automatic smart pins for timelines. You press it, you save it, and this will appear. Because in my project, I'm using multiple timelines, so this makes it much easier to use. So I got a Manchester, I pressing the mouse on the right side, timeline settings, I'm going to export, and this is what I'm looking, timeline markers for EDL. Already got one file, but anyway, I'm gonna save it. Yes, okay. And my EDL folder. Now you open this and you see, yeah, you got the time, what's happening, and each part is just not very user-friendly. Now it comes the site of this Robert. You grab your EDL file, you drop it in there, and look at this. And you just press copy. So I can paste it again just for you to see. I'm just gonna eliminate because there's no point, I'm not gonna use it. Anyway, when you come to your video, you got the chapters in here. Introduction, Join Island, Museum, Power Hall. Somebody will just want to see a bit of your video, like what happened to the kiosk. They can just go to your description and you got the timestamps. So, and the video will automatically go to this area. And you can see the timestamps around here. It's a very easy tool to use. Thanks to this YouTuber. Give him some support. Give some likes on this video. I'm gonna leave this on the description too. Watch his video because I think he does a better job than me explaining. And he did the app. I don't know how to use the app very well at the moment. I only upload it once a month, so I'm using the site. Process so easy. So programmers are making it a little better. Just give him some support because it definitely deserves. I don't know about this video. I only got 56 views. Some very bad solutions around there. I have 7.5 thousand views. Anyway, now you can export and get the chapters from any version of Davinci Resolve. If you catch what I'm saying. Studio or free or whatever. Just use this EDL and this converter to make it easily to understand by YouTube. Great solution. Go and figure out.